What's up guys, my name is Mike. I'm a chef and content creator. Today I'm doing TV on Gursha Gang and I'm going to show you something called Pasta Alla Vodka. It doesn't get you drunk but it tastes really good. Let's go. Alright, so to make Pasta Alla Vodka we need shinkurt, kay shinkurt or najum mark chalachu, baro or leeks. You can do all shinkurt or all baro. I'd recommend some kind of a blend or mulu shinkurt targu shalal. We need cheese. This is a local Gouda or Howder cheese, however way we want to pronounce it. Tomato paste, cream, ወይ milk መጠቀም ቻላችሁ. And the star of the show, vodka. Alright, so cook ማድረግ ከመጀመራችን በፊት ሁሉም ነገር ከታትፈን መጨረስ አለብን. This is called mise en place. It means everything in its place in French. Let's start first with chopping the onions. ቀጥሎ we're gonna dice up the garlic. መጀመሪያ you take off the root end. Kaza, you take the garlic, put your knife over it, gently kaza. That's how you just run your knife. Alright, next baro nkortale. Alright, so next cheese nfakafakale. So we can move on cook with the አንድ ድስት ፓስታውን ለመቀቀል ያኛው ደግሞ ስጋውን ለመስራት or to make the vodka sauce. ስለዚህ የፈላ ውሃ ኦሬዲ ጨምራችሁ you can cut your cooking time. Generally pasta cooking do's and don'ts. ጨው ብዙ አድርጉ, more than you think you need. The Italians make it as salty as the sea on it. So a lot of salt. እና ዘይት እንዳታደርጉ. No oil. The only thing that does pasta slippery ያደርገውና sauce grip ያደርገው. So for this kinds of pasta dish, I prefer fusilli ወይም እንደዚህ አይነት penne because the sauce is really smooth. መሀል ውስጥ ይገባል the sauce. እዚህ ጋር ያለው on the edge ያለው texture ላይ the sauce can get caught up. ስለዚህ it's perfect for this kind of dish. ለዚህ ብቻ ሳይሆን any kind of a smooth pasta dish, I'd recommend this. እና stick እንዳያደርግ the first 10 seconds ነገር stir ማድረግ ነው. So in the meantime, we can start making the sauce. A few tablespoons of oil. The onions first. So we can add the leeks abro. So translucent skin dress. You can cook it down. ትንሽ ፓስታው የበሰለበትን ውሃ በኋላ ሶስ እንሰራበታለን። ከዛ we drain this. So ሽንኩርቱና ባሮ እዚህ ስቴጅ ላይ ሲደርስ we can add the garlic. ሽንኩርቱ ወዲያው እሳት ሲያገኘው ስሜል ማድረግ ጀምራላችሁ. Most of this dish is stuff you have lying around the house. Again, you wouldn't think of putting vodka in a pasta dish. And it works really well. You have to try this. Tomato paste, ትልቅ ቲስፑን. Tomato paste ብዙ ጊዜ የሆነ ብረት የሚል ጣዕም አለው. So you just want to cook that off. ሽንኩርቱና ሽንኩርቱ ከደረሰ በኋላ fry it for like a minute or two. ቺሊ ፍሌክስን ትንሽ እሳት ያገኘው. If you don't like spicy food, don't add this. ግን ክሪም ምናምን ስለምንጨምር ብዙ ፋት ስላለው ስፓይሲነሱ ትንሽ ባላንስ ያደርገዋል. Let that toast for 10 seconds. Not too much, burn ያደርጋል በጣም በቀላሉ. Now for the fun parts. Vodka. If you smell it out, alcohol. So you cook it until that alcohol smell is coming up. So it's been cooking for a few minutes. Vodka አይሸትም. So we can move on. Cream, ይሄም around half a cup. ግን ኮንሲስተንሲውን እያየን አድጀስት ማድረግ እንችላለን። ዘይን ተክተክ all the flavors smell ያርጉ. And then we'll have our pasta sauce. The sauce is almost ready. Look at the color. So you know you did a good job. It's supposed to be a pink sauce. Because now we taste for seasoning. እንቀምሰውና ጨው ካስፈለገ አሁን ማድረግ እንችላለን። because ፓስታው ከጨመረ በኋላ ጨው በደንብ ዲስትሪቢዩት ሊያደርግ ስለሚችል the sauce has to be properly seasoned. ትንሽ salt. Alright, it's perfect. We add this guy. ከዛ ቅድም ፓስታ ቦይሊንግ ዋተር ሪዘርቭ ያደረግነውን little bit ትና ማረግ ካስፈለገን ነው የምንጨምረው። ከዛ if you have pasta skills you can toss. So አሁን we turn the heat off. ከዛ we add the cheese. Slowly mix. All right, let's plate. So basil, slap it, flavor and do it ትንሽ. Then simple garnish. And this is pasta alla vodka. Now my favorite part, tasting. You just want to try. It won't take you that long. Okay. Flavor to effort ratio is very, very skewed. We're done. I can finish all of this stuff off camera. Thank you Dink TV and Gursha Gang for having me on. I really hope you tried this pasta alla vodka. It's really good. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's @Shiferaw. Love you guys. Thank you.